Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will show you the first appearance of the awaited device handheld. TrimUI Smart Pro. The device comes with capabilities. The device comes with a central processing unit of some type CPU, Allwinner A133 plus Cortex A53 quad-core at 1.8 GHz with graphics processor GPU, PowerVR GE8300 at 660 MHz. The device comes with a screen display, 4.96-inch, 720 by 1280 IPS 294 ppi. With battery size 4000 mAh, up to 6 hours battery life. With the dimensions of the device, the width of the device is 188 mm and the height of the device is 80 mm.